guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple skincare routine that you can follow for 7 to 10 days to make your skin glow during the Diwali, during the festive season, or if you have any other special event coming up, or if you just want your skin to brighten up. This is a very simple routine, just a few steps extra added to make your skin glow that extra bright. So starting with the first step, which is obviously cleansing the face. So for this, I'm using a vitamin C brightening face wash. You can use any vitamin C face wash. I'm using the one from Ilansa and I really like this. So vitamin C face washes are absolutely amazing because they can just help in adding that extra glow, that extra brightness to your skin. So I'm just gonna wash my skin and clean my skin like really well first. For the next step guys, I'll be using a face mask and let me just explain this very well. Sorry, let me just explain this really well. Ideally, you should use a face mask 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, 2 to 3 times a week. However, because you're following a very specific routine for the festive season and if you want that extra glow, for the first 5 days, use a face mask every alternate day. Okay, so the first day, third day and fifth day, we will use a face mask every alternate day, and then after that, twice a week is when you have to use your face mask. Alright. So for this, I'm using the Gold Clay face mask from Wow Skin Science. This is absolutely fantastic, guys. I love this face mask. Now again, you can use whatever you want. I really like this face mask because it's a nice clay face mask. It contains bentonite, it contains sweet almond oil, it contains niacinamide, vitamin E. It has a lot of amazing things. Plus, it also comes with this brush. So a lot of you keep asking me, Prachi, where do you get your face mask brushes from? I'll share the link for my face mask brushes in the description box below. This particular one actually comes with a brush itself and I really like it. So just gonna apply this all over my face. So guys, I just applied this face mask all over my face, all over my neck. I will leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off and then get back to you in 15 minutes. Be right there, don't run away. Okay, bye. And I'm back guys, thanks for not running away. Okay, now going back to the skincare routine, just gonna wipe my face and let me show you. Okay, so this is how my skin is looking now, and here's a quick before after comparison of how my skin was looking when I just started and how my skin is looking already after the first 2 steps. This gold face mask, personally guys, I really like it, especially for the festive season when you want that extra glow, that extra brightness. It's absolutely amazing. It just instantly transforms the skin. So just imagine using this on a more regular basis. It will really improve your skin. Now for the next step guys, we are going to use a very simple DIY. It's a very simple DIY. Anybody can make it and you can also store it in a little spray bottle. Just keep it in the refrigerator. So for this DIY, we have taken some clean drinking water and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so you just have to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar, not too much, and just mix these 2 ingredients really well. Then just dip a cotton pad into this, or if you want you can also spray it directly onto your skin. And then just wipe it very gently on your face. Why are we using diluted apple cider vinegar? Well guys, apple cider vinegar first of all is a great astringent. It also helps in cleaning your pores. It's one of the most powerful ingredients when you want to remove scars and pigmentation and also for skin brightening. If you start using this every single day, you don't need to use a toner. You don't need to use any exfoliating face washes. You don't need to use any scrubs. This is such a great formula. You can also use it twice a day, morning and evening as a toner, right after washing your face. So there's something which is absolutely fantastic for your skin. Just make sure you do a patch test before you use it for the first time. And once you're done wiping your face and neck with this, let me just show this to you. Once you're done wiping your face and neck with this, just let it settle down. Okay, give your skin about 5 minutes to breathe and for everything to settle down. Now moving to the next step guys, I will be using a serum. I recently did a video on how to use serums correctly. If you want to know, I'll put the video link in the description box below. And here I'm using a vitamin C serum. Yes guys, vitamin C again, because like I told you, right, vitamin C is great for skin brightening. If you want that extra glow, go for vitamin C. It can never ever fail your skin. So the vitamin C serum I'm using here is from Body Cupid. I really liked it. I really like it. I've talked about it before. It contains cacao plum extracts. It also contains hyaluronic acid, which makes it great for also hydrating your skin, plumping up your skin. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. You just have to like dot it all across your face. And obviously, guys, it goes without saying you can use whichever serum you want. I'm just sharing what I like and what I use a lot. And here's a quick tip, guys. After applying the serum, just watch your skin, okay? See how your skin is behaving. If you think it's required, only if it's required, use a sheet mask as well. Sheet masks, like you probably already know, it's great for hydrating your skin. It really refreshes your skin. So I'm not using a sheet mask today because honestly my skin does not need it. My skin is well hydrated already. But if your skin needs it, you can also use a sheet mask. Now, after using your serum and your sheet mask, if you're using a sheet mask that is, the last and final step, hear me out very carefully. There are two parts to the final step, okay? The final step is every alternate day we will use a face oil. Which face oil? Well, depending on your skin. If you want, you can just use argan oil. If you want, you can also use neem oil. Neem oils are absolutely amazing for the skin, guys, especially if you have pigmentation issues, if you have acne problems, if you have scarring issues. Use neem oil every alternate day after using your serum, okay? However, on the other days when you're not using a neem oil, use a face cream. Which face cream? Again, it's totally up to you, whichever face cream you want. Here what I'm showing you is a vitamin C face cream because you're particularly talking about skin brightening, and vitamin C face creams are amazing. So this one is from Wow Skin Science again. I really like this face cream, so I'm just going to use a little bit of this. And guys, whether you're using a face oil on that particular day or you're using a face cream, make sure you use it right after using your serum, okay? Don't waste too much time because serums tend to escape into the air, so we have to lock it in immediately. So use a face oil or a face moisturizer or a face cream and lock it all in immediately. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do. So this is a very simple routine which you follow every single day in the morning. And at night, just clean your face. If you have the patience, you can also use the apple cider vinegar toner that I just talked about. Apply a serum and moisturize, and that's it. So this is the morning routine which you follow every single day. At night, just clean, tone and moisturize. And if you want, you can also use a serum also at night. It's highly recommended. And trust me, guys, you just have to follow this routine. I know there are a few steps extra, but follow this routine for 1 week. You will see your skin behaving much better, your skin looking much better. So yes, guys, that's what I want to share in today's quick routine video. And I'll put the links for whatever I'm using in the description box below if you want to check them out. These are personally some of my favorite products, guys. And all of these, by the way, have been purchased with my own money. No brand has asked me to do this video. I have talked about so many different brands today. These are all some of my favorite products which I also use a lot. And yes, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, anything that you would want to add, please share them with me in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.